Organ meats, for all their nutrient-dense glory, carry a darker, uric acid-spiked secret. These ancestral superfoods, liver, kidneys, sweetbreads, heart, may be celebrated in nose-to-tail eating circles, but your joints might beg to differ. Behind their rich flavor and dense mineral profile lies one of the highest concentrations of purines found in any food. When purines are metabolized, they break down into uric acid, a compound that, in modest amounts, exits the body without fuss. But push that intake too far, say, by enjoying a few too many pâtés, livers, or beef hearts, and you might start experiencing what ancient royalty once did: gout, also known as the disease of kings, which is an ironic title for what amounts to a sudden, inflamed rebellion in your big toe. Here's the unfiltered reality. Organ meats aren't just high in purines, they are Olympic-level purine powerlifters. A small serving of liver can provide more purines than an entire chicken thigh, and when your body metabolizes those purines into uric acid faster than it can excrete them, that acid doesn't politely disappear, it crystallizes in your joints, painfully. The result? Red, hot, swollen joints that scream louder than your doctor's dietary warnings. And let's not forget, it's not just a one-time protest. High uric acid levels tend to linger and worsen with continued indulgence, slowly turning your love of awful into an awful lot of pain. And this isn't just a concern for people with a known history of gout. Even healthy individuals who frequently consume organ meats may be silently climbing the uric acid ladder, unaware until one day their foot decides to go full medieval on them. To make things worse, uric acid isn't just about joints. It's been implicated in kidney stone formation, chronic kidney disease, and even potential links to hypertension and cardiovascular risk. So yes, you may be getting your B12 and iron, but you're also playing Russian roulette with your kidneys and vascular system. Now, some might argue that moderation is key, and that's true, in theory. But in practice, organ meats are often not eaten in moderation. They're rich, addictive, and frequently served in large, celebratory portions, drenched in butter or gravy and accompanied by wine, which also spikes uric acid. Cheers. It's like setting your metabolic house on fire and then asking your kidneys to find the extinguisher. Spoiler, they might be too busy trying to filter the rest of your enthusiastic menu. For people already genetically predisposed to gout, or with a sluggish uric acid excretion system, organ meats are essentially a fast track to flare-ups. Think of your uric acid threshold like a cup. Every time you indulge in liver, kidney, or other high purine goodies, you're pouring liquid into that cup. If your body can't pour it out fast enough, boom, overflow, in the form of stabbing joint pain that will make you seriously reconsider your dietary life choices. So, here's a not-so-fun warning. If you love organ meats but hate pain, you may want to pick a side. Because once you've experienced a gout attack, you'll realize that no amount of liver pâté is worth crawling on the floor at 3 a.m. while Googling how to amputate toe at home. In summary, organ meats aren't evil. They're just dangerously delicious and metabolically demanding. Enjoy them occasionally, maybe on a day when you're also running a marathon and drinking 3 liters of water. But if you're already tiptoeing around uric acid issues, these foods aren't a treat. They're a trap with gravy.